Hey guys, I'm MacPaverick. In this video I will show you how we use the Skytrain in Bangkok. At first you have to go to a ticket machine. There you can check the map, but at first you have to change the language in English. Then you can read the map. So in my example I will drive from Siam Central Station to Chong Nonsi. If you click here with your fingers on the station, it will become bigger, and you can select the station where you want to go. Then you have to choose the number of tickets, and here you can see what you have to pay. I choose 3 tickets and I have to pay 78 Thai baht. Put the money here in the ticket machine. Then you will get your tickets here and you will get also your change here. Then go to the entrance and put your ticket here on the sensor. Then go upstairs to the Skytrain. You have signs which will show you in which direction you have to go. I have to go to Bang Wa because this is the last station of the line which I have to use. Yeah, I will drive to Chong Nonsi here from Siam Central Station to Chong Nonsi, and the last station is Bang Wa, and so I have to take the line 3 to the direction to Bang Wa. Wait for the train, then enjoy your trip with the train. So if you don't miss the station, look at the monitor in the train. The monitor will show you the current station. Then get off at your station, go to the exit, then put your ticket card in the slot and go out. Yes, that's everything. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.